Why?
Students, have you all completed the question 1?
No, ma'am.
How long you will write, ma? Huh? Make it fast. Go for the question. Those who have completed the question 1, go for the question number 2. Please go for question number 2. In what ways was the working population in Russia different from other countries in Europe before 1917? So tomorrow the names will be read out, those who have submitted and not submitted. So the marks will be consolidated tomorrow. I can't wait more than this. So, you know, sufficient time is given to you in the class and I have given sufficient time. And if you're not completing, then you cannot say that it is my responsibility. So it is your responsibility to post the content. Then only I can give you marks. Without content, I cannot provide you the marks. Time. So we will go for the next question. In what ways was the working population in Russia different from other countries in Europe? So we are talking about only the working population here. First listen. So the workers are completely different from other countries. So England, Germany, they are all fighting for one condition. Okay, they want their funds to be set up. They formed an association. They are united. They wanted to reduce their working hours. They wanted the right to vote. But this is not happening in Russia. Example, Labour Party in Britain and Socialist Party in France were there. But in Russia, they are divided on the basis of their occupation. Skilled and unskilled. Trained or untrained. They had a strong links. Those workers had a strong link with the village they came from. So maybe based on that, they can be divided. So another one, workers association rose dramatically in Russia. What they demanded, sorry, working has higher wages. So write the second question also. I want these two questions. Right now. Navaneet, tell me the second question. What is there inside? Tell me the second. Just tell me the keywords. What they are talking about in that second question.
Ma'am, the working population in Europe
Working
countries.
population they are talking about. What are all the association formed? Which country formed the association?
FT Peter.
Which country formed the association? In order
Ma'am, England and Germany.
Better living. That is the next line I am framing the question, Dakanna. Better living condition and working conditions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have demanded
Ma'am,
in European countries, the workers what they have demanded.
ma'am, for right to vote.
Very good. Right to vote and the reduction of working hours. Super. Okay. And what are all the two parties? Thank you, Navani. Thank you. You continue to write.
Ma'am, I earned. Hello,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Labor Party and Social.
That time you have not on the video. Now I will give the attendance.
Ma'am, it came outside.
That is what we can do, Raja.
Okay, sorry.
No problem. I will give. Ritika, tell me the two party which was formed in Britain and France. Workers' Party.
Workers'
Parties which were political parties formed by
political parties and
trade unionist.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Tell me the party formed in Britain and in France.
Labour Party and Socialist Party, ma'am.
Good. Very good. How were the workers divided in Russia? Pragadish K. How were the workers divided in Russia? On what basis?
Ma'am, Akhilesh can tell, ma'am.
Wait, dear, wait. How were the workers divided in Russia?
Akhilesh can tell, ma'am.
How the workers are divided in Russia, my dears?
Ma'am, based on occupation, ma'am.
Whether skilled or unskilled, isn't it?
Training.
Based on their skilling, they have
Ma'am, they
divided.
need.
How these work? What are all the demand of the Russian workers? What are all the Saravanan P? What are all the demand of the Russian workers? What they fight for?
Ma'am, reduce the working hours, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
they demanded
Working
to
hours.
working hours.
They demanded to reduce their working hours, ma'am.
Working hours, very good. And higher wages. Then they want higher wages. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. So,
What is
first one question, automatically you will get the answer for the long answer. Have you all
Yes,
written? Those parents are there at home, they have to get signed, you know very well. And those who went for the job, they get in the evening. Apart from this, the next two question, I will post it in the as a Word document. You have to read as a homework and write it as a test. Nothing. NCERT book back question.
I mean, homework note, ma'am. Ma'am, the two question you.
Rough note. These two questions you have written now itself. You get the sign and read. In the evening, next two questions will be posted to you. Can you able to understand? That question.
Want to write homework note, ma'am.
That two question have to be written in the homework note. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And
the continuous of two questions, 4 and 3 and 4, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is there in your NCERT book itself. 3 and 4 it will be there. Who is having the NCERT book? Krishna Priya? Do you have the NCERT book?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third question. Do you find any third question there? Please read it.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Why did the Tsarist autocracy collapse in 1917?
What is the next question then?
Make two lists, one with the main events and the events of February Revolution and other with the main events and the effects of October Revolution. Write a paragraph on who was involved in each, who were the leaders and what was the impact of each on Soviet history.
Very good. Thank you. October Revolution and what is that? October and the
February.
Very good.
February.
October and the February Revolution. Very, very important question. October and February, who were all the leaders involved, what they have taken steps. I will give you the answer I will post it in the group. You have to read and tomorrow those questions will be discussed.
If you completed the 2 questions, what to do, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, if you completed the 2 questions, what to do?
Go for the third question.
Thank you.
Read and see what is the third question.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hardik. Students, I have posted the question number 3 along with the answers also. 3 and 4. So you can take that, and four question is very easy. What are all the, you saw that no effects, and it is very easy. You read the fourth and then go for the third. Third also very easy. You just have a glance. We will have a discussion tomorrow, the third and the fourth question. Okay. So the four questions you have to read answers. Already you have read 2 questions. Another 2 questions you have a glance, read and write without seeing. That is very February Revolution and the October Revolution. Okay, and the third question also, it is given in the Word document. If you don't have that opening for Word document, you download from the Play Store the document, then it will get automatically opened. Okay, for those who have not opening it. So you please have a revision. Please take it as a serious. There will be nearly 12 to 13 lessons for social science. So please read then. So why did the Tsarist autocracy collapse in 1917 and February Revolution and the October Revolution? We have to see as an homework. So tomorrow I will check all the notes, 9A, B and C, the homework and what we have discussed for yesterday's class. That is today. Tomorrow class it will be again discussed for another 15 minutes. And those who have not, I have not asked the questions, I will ask the questions. So have a great day. Stay healthy. Take care.
Ma'am, the third and fourth question should be in the class or homework, ma'am.
Homework note. Homework note.
Yes,
It has to be written in the note.
Yes,
Fine. Thank you. So the homework has been discussed in the class. So try to understand and make it in your study hall. Thank you, dears. If you are at third and fourth, read all the 4 questions and get ready.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.